Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you that how you can make green tea using milk. Yes, you heard right. In this video we are going to tell you that how you can make green tea using milk only. See, here we have some ingredients and watch the complete video for more details. Here we have taken a pan and now in pan we are going to add a glass of water. We are adding 1.5 glass of water in it. Now after this you have to add 2 tablespoons of green tea leaves. Now let it boil. After this you have to add some more ingredients. First of all, we are going to add some sugar in it. Approximately we are adding 2 spoons of sugar. You can add more if you want. And now we are adding 1 spoon of ginger paste and a pinch of baking soda. Now let all these ingredients boil together for 2 minutes so that the quantity of water will be reduced to half. After this we are adding 1 glass of milk in it. Now you have to wait for at least 2 to 3 boils. The milk has started boiling. Now it's almost ready. Now we are going to serve it. So take a glass and you have to strain it. Your healthy and tasty green tea is ready to serve. You can serve it with snacks or dry fruits. We are adding pieces of almonds to make it more healthy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.